Hi and welcome to my channel. And today I'm with my comrades
Celebrating
in
Labor
here.
Day.
Hi,
Labor Day.
it's wonderful road trip to Blue Mountain, Cypress Lake.
Alright. So, tara. Samahan niyo kami. Andito kami ngayon sa
Cypress Lake.
Tobermory, Cypress Lake. Yeah.
Together
So,
with the seniors.
Yes.
One senior and senior to be.
Two seniors. Kasi seniors na yan eh.
So you're already senior. Me, I'm still on the way.
Okay. Yeah, Cypress Lake. Yeah. So, saan ba ito? Tobermory?
Tobermory Grotto.
Tobermory. We're going. Anong activities natin ngayon?
Hiking,
Hiking.
Hiking, eating,
eating,
Alright.
and
drinking.
fellowship with. Here's one of my best friends.
Naka-live ka bro, pupunta tayo. Upload natin sa
Enjoying.
YouTube ito.
Enjoying, stress relieving
Yeah.
after hard work. Here we go.
So, we're here.
Ito pala dito, maganda magpa-picture.
Oh, kaya na oh. Napunta na sila oh.
Yeah.
Maganda sama-sama para.
Oh, mabante na sila.
Kung mapapawisan tayo, mukhang nainit na eh.
Oh, mayroon pa na. Ano yan?
Oh, may pangtukod sila oh.
Pa-hiking, naka-ready na talaga sila, no?
Hindi ba kinuha yan? Oh,
Is that free? Para sa tete. Hindi ba ito pang senior lang? Hindi ba pang senior lang? Sa'yo naman eh.
Oo, hindi. Sino nagbigay?
Matigas pa ng tuso, inapahabain.
Pastor. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ay,
Yeah, mga kagrupo natin yan, mga
Grotto. Hi.
Two ladies with a young boy.
Alright. Yeah.
Ito, kasama din natin. Si Chef.
So,
Chef yan.
Share bro.
I will upload this to YouTube. I have my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah. Meron na?
Oh, I know. No. I'm not going to. Otherwise, it will destroy my
The channel.
channel. This it's just like a lifestyle,
Leisure.
leisure.
So, like, are you doing?
Yeah.
Lagay mo ito sa likod mo.
That's for the...
So let's go. May talagang si Mr. Tanda talaga oh.
senior na.
His name is Frederick Tanda.
Pero malakas naman.
I know you're just pretending. I know.
Can carry the tea para mabawasan.
Hey, I want to see myself in the same.
Mabigat.
No, I look tiny.
Binayra mo ni Sister Eugene ng baksa.
Yun! Isa senior. Even the hat is a senior.
So enjoy lang kayo mga kaibigan.
Hello!
Enjoy lang muna.
Dito
At
tayo.
kami ay mag-start ng magano. Si Cheryl, tignan mo, nag-vlog din oh.
Is this stretch 850? I've not been here, but it's black. Black means it's difficult because it's all rocks. So it's not walking like this. It's you have to go on the rocks. So it is this whole. But even if you go here to go to the grotto, you must also climb the rocks.
So we are here.
Yeah, we are here.
And it's
yeah.
1
So
kilometer.
my concern is this stretch.
Yeah.
This 850 is all rocks.
850.
So it is not trail. The black, all the black are rocks.
So how about where is this
So
way?
now I'm gonna go use this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna use
I'm
this
gonna
one.
do this one.
Yeah, I'm
So
gonna
we will
go in.
still, we can still come here and see the
Yeah, yeah.
cliffs, but we don't see this part of it.
Yeah.
But those who can,
So we can go the easy only.
no, you can go here. You and Agnes do this.
If you like, if you
That's
like.
for young men.
I mean, up to you. It's up to
I'm
you.
gonna go with this.
It's on. Let's go. Slowly, slowly.
I have
I'm
not,
gonna
I
go
have not
this.
done this yet. I will do this one day.
So,
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
We can try.
One day, not
Okay.
today, Pastor.
so tinuturo ng leader,
Let's go,
leader
all the
namin sa
seniors.
group
Are you going this
kung
way?
saan kami mag-i-start
alright,
kasi mahaba-haba
Okay, sister.
hiking training
Go
ito.
follow them.
Okay.
So
So all the young ones,
mag-i-start na kami.
the younger ones here.
So, saan tayo? Dito, younger.
Younger?
Saan tayo? Here. Dito tayo, younger ones. No, younger ones here.
Okay, so mag-i-start na kami mga kaibigan. Mahaba-habang lakarin ito.
Let's go difficult.
So it's my first time to go to this place. So discover natin kung anong nandito. There's a lake over there. Ito ang ano. Yeah, lake. Yeah, this is Tobermory, Canada, Ontario, Canada.
Yeah, it's like this.
Oh,
I did it in Euphorus, Turkey. When John had the preaching and Mama Mary has a house there, it was like this, more crazy. Right?
so ano ba, nag-split ba tayo sa ilang group?
Tayo lang mga young one here. The young one, they are in the harder part. The senior in the other side.
Tapos na tayo. Eto na kami. Tapos
I know eh!
na.
No, it's 51 kilometers.
Tapos na eh.
Miss talaga.
Mami Adela, Agnes kami. Pastor kami. I think Kuya June.
Ikaw ang tinatawag mo ako.
No, we're not.
Just go straight. It's there is a pathway. There is a trail.
Meet me halfway across the sky.
Pakantahin mo si kasi pinasa sa anak niya. Sabi niya maglakad, you have to sing. That's what I said.
Oh,
So June is, I said he's a singer. He's the pro.
oh, sige.
Sige, kanta na.
Lakad na.
It's okay lang. It's okay lang. Kunin mo sila. Lakad na.
Ganito ang mga puno dito. Yeah.
1 kilometer walk.
But if this is 1 kilometer, then and the Badas car can't even reach 1 kilometer in like
Is it live?
Wee! Siya daw walang picture.
Enjoying the trail walk at Bruce Mountain, Cypress Lake.
Ilang grupo tayo?
Tatlo.
3?
Yung mga youngsters,
Semi-youngsters? Semi-adult?
seniors,
Tayo,
3 groups. So we belong on the mid.
So si Tanda wala dito sa group natin.
He's on the senior group. We are on the junior group, and then the youngsters. So we have 3 groups.
Great.
kabila. Tapos yung mga
Middle young.
old.
Young ones.
Young ones tayo.
Sila yon, sila pastor yan.
Akala ko older sila older.
Young ones. Tayo young pa rin tayo.
Yeah.
Younger.
Younger. Young yung sila Nathan.
Be honest.
Younger.
She sold out yung ano mo siya, yung sandwich.
Sold out.
Very good.
Okay. So,
Nagbaon ako dito ng 2 slice. Ako tatlo.
Share it, bro. Share.
sure.
Picture muna tayo dito, group.
Ito dito.
Group, picture muna tayo dito. Group.
Sonny!
Yeah, don't be in a hurry. Come here, girls.
We take picture! View deck!
Group.
Daanan na lang ito mamaya. Diretso na sa
Hindi, iba na yung way natin.
Iba na palabas, te.
Oo, paikot na ito yan.
Okay.
Pwesto.
Nasa deck.
Picture naman.
Ano ba to? Deck?
Dito, facing dito. Dito tayo lang.
Okay.
Kasi yung
So,
legs
this is
dyan
the
ng
deck.
background.
So, okay. Hanggang dito lang muna mga kaibigan. At ako'y...
Ayaw naman nila picture nga eh.
Okay. We
Yan
have
yung
to
video mo para
continue
makuha
it.
lahat.
Upo tayo lahat.
Halika rito.
Okay.
Naka-video sila. Ewan kung sino sa anak ko yun.
Thank you for
Dali.
That one is a
watching
vlogger
this
from
video.
Canada.
Group picture.
This June Di Guzman.
Yeah, let's
So, dito kayo tatayo.